The liver is one of the most important organs of our body. It is responsible for synthesizing proteins and cleaning of blood, as well as eliminating the toxins. It has more than 500 different functions, each and every one of them of vital importance. If you're used to eating unhealthy processed food, it's possible that your liver is not functioning properly, and if the liver is not functioning properly, you're at higher risk of developing a number of potentially dangerous medical conditions. Hepatitis A, B, and C, liver cirrhosis, fatty liver, and many others can all have potentially life-threatening consequences. That's why if you want to avoid these dangerous conditions and keep your liver healthy, you should perform a liver detox. And we'll show you exactly how. Drinking raisin water for 4 days straight at least once a month will help your liver better perform its functions, especially when it comes to detox, and you'll notice its benefits during those times that you feel heavy or notice that your digestion is slow or painful. Doctors often recommend that you eat raisins in the morning to take better care of your heart, eliminate bad cholesterol, lower your triglyceride levels, and prevent constipation or an upset stomach. Raisins are a natural source of vitamins and minerals, but those benefits are increased tremendously if you consume the water that they are soaked in. This is because the sugar content is reduced and you're still obtaining an excellent medicinal remedy for the liver. How to cleanse your liver with raisin water. Cleaning the liver with raisin water begins with the following procedure. First, choose quality organic raisins that today we cannot find quite easily. You should avoid very light, nice, yellowish raisins. Bright color of raisins is a result of the treatment with sulfur dioxide or, in the best case, a violation of the rules during the drying. Once you select the right and not chemical-treated raisins, then you can begin to prepare the acid for cleaning the liver. Put a half of a cup of raisins in hot water in the morning. After 15 minutes, wash the raisins well with running water. Place the washed raisins in cup and fill the cup to the top with boiled water that is cool to room temperature. Leave the grapes to stand 24 hours to the next morning. The next morning, drink the portion and eat the raisins on an empty stomach. Follow this regimen for 4 days at least. Perform this treatment once a month, and it has no side effects. If you also follow a diet that's low in fat and includes plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, you'll promote better liver health overall. And raisin water makes an excellent complement to your routine.